I hope you like the video, and I am going to discuss about the three phases of the banking sector and the financial institution, not only the banking sector, the financial institutions of India. So kindly like and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Today we are going to know about the pre-90s and post-90s overview of the banking system of India. So when we are having the financial system, so it grows according to the economy. So when we are having three major categories, like the post 90s, pre 90s, and the mid 90s. So during the phase 1, pre-90s 1951 organization, during this phase the organization of the financial system was immature and rudimentary, reflecting the underdeveloped nature of the industrial economy of the country. So when we are discussing about this, because just after the independence, India was not that much active in the banking sector, because we were having lots of problem were arised at that time, and because of that we were just reviving the independence or post independence. So it was very difficult for sustaining the high level of the capital formation, as well as the accelerated the industrial development. The industrial development was not that much in the higher place, and because of that our banking system, our financial system was very much affected. But when we come in our mid 80s, during this phase our we were having the industrialization was in the peak, and the framework, there were lots of financial institutions which were public and government owned. And then when we were having the fortification in the industrial structure, we were protecting our investors over there. There was a major participation of the financial institution in the corporate management as well as in the different sector also. So when we are having the another one, when we came to the post 90s situation, in the post 90s situation the liberalization was in the peak, and it was the beginning of the notable things which were planned, and have that privatization of the financial institution happened, reorganization of the institutional structure happened, and then investors protection also was happening over there. So government of India not only distributed its finance and credit, it was the constitutional decline, and the Indian financial system was witnessing very much thing like market oriented, capital market oriented developments in the country. So when we are talking about the major financial system component, financial institution, it were having the banking institutions, where we were having public sector bank, private sector bank, foreign bank, and the regional rural bank. And again we were